You searched how to buy shares of Zillow Group Inc. Zillow is a technology-driven real estate marketplace listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Z. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker Z to locate Zillow Group Inc. Make sure you select the listing for Zillow on NASDAQ to find the correct asset. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart and confirm the NASDAQ listing and ticker Z. Check the basic description and recent price action to ensure it's the correct security. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you wish to invest, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to the example eToro page is in the description below.